Is the new ZiG currency in Zimbabwe truly legitimate, if even the government refuses to accept it for critical services like passport issuance? This question bubbles to the surface as recent developments reveal a curious scenario at passport offices across Zimbabwe. In a surprising twist, passport officials in Zimbabwe have made a clear decision to reject the ZiG currency for passport fees. Instead, they are insisting on payments exclusively in United States dollars. This decision sends ripples of confusion and concern among citizens and observers alike, especially considering the government's aggressive stance towards enforcing the acceptance of ZiG in other sectors. The root of this peculiar situation lies in an agreement with a foreign partner involved in the passport issuance process. This partner, it seems, only recognizes and honors payments made in United States dollars. This contractual obligation has forced the Zimbabwean government's hand, leading them to sideline their newly minted currency in favor of the more globally accepted dollar. This scenario raises several poignant questions about the practical value and acceptance of the ZiG currency. If the very government that introduced this currency cannot use it for such essential services due to international agreements, what does this mean for the ZiGs standing in both domestic and global markets? The irony is palpable. A currency introduced to strengthen national economic sovereignty is, at least in this case, not sovereign enough. In conclusion, while the government's enforcement actions against those rejecting the ZiG currency suggest a strong commitment to its success, this recent development at the passport offices tells a different story. It underscores the complexities and challenges of implementing a new currency in a world where the dollar still dominates. The ZiG, it seems, has a long journey ahead before it can claim the title of real money on the international stage.